In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an X, formerly Twitter, follow button in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project and head into the designer. This is where you will place and configure the button directly on your page. Once you are inside the designer, look over to the left-hand toolbar and click the plus icon to open the Add panel. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press the A key on your keyboard to open the same panel a little faster. After the Add panel is open, scroll down until you find the section that contains the Twitter element. Depending on your setup, you may see it under Components or under the Advanced section. Take a moment to look carefully so you select the correct built-in element. This is the item Webflow provides for adding social functionality like a follow button without needing to build it manually. Once you've found the Twitter element, click it and drag it onto the page. Drop it exactly where you want the follow button to appear. For example, you might place it in a navigation bar, a footer, a sidebar, or on an About page where visitors are more likely to connect with your brand or profile. Try to position it somewhere visible, but not distracting, so it feels like a natural part of the layout. With the element now placed on the page, select it if it isn't already selected. Then move to the top right side of the designer and click the gear icon to open element settings. This is where you will control how the Twitter element behaves. Inside the settings, change the button type to follow. This step is important because the element can support different configurations and you want to make sure it's specifically set up as a follow button rather than anything else. Next, enter your exact X or Twitter handle in the handle field. Be sure to type the correct username carefully so the button links to the right profile. Accuracy matters here because even a small typo can send people to the wrong account or prevent the button from working as expected. After that, your follow button is essentially ready. It's always a good idea to preview the page and make sure the placement looks good and the handle is set correctly before publishing any changes. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.